Hey guys, this is Jasper Kaur. How you are doing? I hope you are doing well. If you're watching this video, probably you are someone that owning a business but struggling to generate some continuous leads, or you are someone that planning to start a business whether it is online or offline, but you do not sure how to generate your leads. Okay, then you are at the right place. Today I'm going to reveal one of the most powerful ways to generate high quality leads online. Okay, before that, if you are first time at my channel, my name is Jasper Kaur. I'm an affiliate marketer. In these channels, I will share about affiliate marketing, digital marketing, or entrepreneurship related topics. If you are interested on this topic, please make sure you hit the subscribe button so you do not miss my next videos. Okay, so let's talk about today's topics: how to generate quality leads online. When we talk about lead generations, there is no doubt we have to go after the content marketing. So what is content marketing and why content marketing is so important? So content marketing is all about creating and distributing the educational contents about your niche and or domain. Okay, so this is the key point, please take note. But by creating the content, your main intent is not to sell your product or service, but to create the trust and connections with your audience. Okay, by this you can slowly build up your domain authorities. Okay, after you gain enough the domain authorities, there are more and more people will trust you. Okay, by that time you can convert them to your leads. Okay, I'll teach you in a second on how to convert your audience into your leads. Okay, now for example, if you are the fitness trainer, you want to sell the fitness product, so the contents you probably need to make is about something like how to lose weight with a sustainable way, or how to lose weight fast, or maybe something like what are the common mistakes that people are doing when they're trying to lose weight. Okay, these are the contents you need to go after, but not all about what is the good things about your products and what the products can do. Okay, we need to try to stand at the perception of your potential customers. Okay, there are various of content format that you can choose to create. For example, there is blog, which is text, infographic, and image, videos, GIF, memes, or podcast. Okay, among all these content format, video is most effective in for marketings. Okay, why video is one of the most effective? Because video help to deliver message more effectively. Video also carry along the emotional cord through the visual and audio elements that does not present in text. According to data, video was outranked text as one of the most engaging internet content formats in 2015. Okay, so if we are using the most engaging contents, the more engagement we will get and more connections we will have with our audience. So once we have the connections and engagements with your audience, more trust will create among you and your audience. Okay, I hope this makes sense. Okay, so after you create your video contents, the platform that I suggest you to post is on YouTube, because YouTube is the second largest search engines after Google. Okay, so many people will go to YouTube to search on their problems or issues that they face in their daily life. Okay, after you post on your YouTube, or then you can share it out to your social medias like Facebook, Instagrams, or LinkedIn, or Twitter, all these social medias. Okay, and then slowly you will get more audience, and then more connections you will have with your audience. And then if your audience find that your content is useful, you can lead them to your website and then ask them to leave their contact. They will willing to do that. because they already have a trust with you, right? The reason why I say the leads quality of generated by this way is high is because try to imagine if a person do not have weight problems, will they search the keyword like how to lose weight or something like what is the common mistake of the losing weight? It's most probably won't, right? If they don't have the problem, maybe their friends or family have the problems and they want to find a solution for that. That's why they search for the keywords. Okay, so this is why the qualities of the leads generated is so high. They already at the facing the problems, and then you provide them the solutions, so they are more likely to buy the product from you. Okay, I hope this makes sense. So now you know how to generate your leads, right? If you want to find out more about how to build your landing page, capture page, or the automated sales funnels, check out the link in the description box below and fill up your best email address. I will send you a 4 days video training sessions for free. In the video training sessions, we will talk about how to build out the capture page, or we call landing page, and all the whole sales funnels. Okay, that's all for today's. I hope you enjoy the videos. Let me know your thought in the comment box below. Give a thumbs up if you like, and then hit the subscribe button. Okay, thank you. Bye.